Dear students, today we will discuss what is the difference between human resource management and human resource development. So, just in brief about the meaning of human resource management and human resource development, and later on we will be discussing the differences point wise. So, as we all know that human resource management is that process in which we attract, retain, select, appraise, compensate the human resource of the organization. Whereas human resource development is basically a process where we ensure that the human resource of the organization can develop their competencies in a better way. So, like human resource management is basically the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the operative functions of like procurement, development, compensation, and maintenance of human resource of any organizational goals or objective. Whereas human resource development is a continuous process in which the organization ensure the development of the personal's employees where the competencies, dynamism, motivation, and effectiveness in a planned and systematic manner. So that, see, basically what we do, there is human resource, HRD is basically a part of human resource management where the organization completely focus on the development of the competencies and overall development of the employees in an effective and systematic manner. Now, moving to the differences, so we have many differences between human resource management and the human resource development. Basically, the human resource management is that function which respond to the demand of the organization. Means it is a kind of, you can say, reactive process. Whereas when we talk about human resource development, it is in a proactive function where the organization beforehand decide about, plan about the development of the employees so that the skill, knowledge, competencies get improved. Whereas in human resource management, we have the parts like salary, wages, incentives, job simplifications are considered as main motivation. But in human resource development, we deal with the job enrichment, job challenges, informal organization, autonomous work groups, and creativity for motivating the employee. See, in the human resource management, the main focus is for how we provide the salaries, wages, how we incentivize our employees, how job could be analyzed and simplify. So these are the motivations. Whereas in if we talk about human resource development, it deals with how we can enlarge, how we can enrich the job, how we can make the employees the job more interesting and creative for the employees, and how the employees create the informal organizations and they work effectively. Whereas how the organization create autonomous groups and creativity get improved. Now, moving to the next difference, that is the human resource management is basically as in a set of independent sub-function, and HRT is a sub-function of a large system of the organization. Means it, though human resource management is an independent function, but HRD is the function sub-function of subsystem of the larger organization. Now, human resource management is basically a narrow in scope and aim at developing and administrating the people, but in human resource development, the scope is wider when we talk in the term of development. So here the overall development of the organization take place. So the main focus of human resource management is basically increasing the efficiency of the employees, whereas the focus of human resource development is on building the right organizational culture in the organization. Where now moving to the next difference, that human resource management is mainly responsible for the human resource department only, whereas the human resource development is regarded as the responsibility of all the managers in the organization. Now next is the in the human resource management, the organization structure is independent one, but in whereas in human resource development, it creates a culture which is interdependent and interrelated. Means the human resource development department is related with various other departments, and the functioning is dependent on the other departments as well. In human resource management, mainly the aim is to improve efficiency of the employees, whereas in HRD, it aim at the development of the employees as well as the organization as in a whole. So what we consider in human resource management, the aim is only to improve the efficiency of the individual employees, but the human resource development aims at the development of employees as an a whole, as well as the organization. Now the main objective of HRD is to develop the competitive advantage based on human resource, whereas the objective of human resource management is to develop human resource matching with the need of the organizational culture, and which provide inputs for effective performance of the organization as a function of human resource management. See, the objective of human resource development here is to make the employees ready for the competitions, make the competitive advantage of the human resource. Means where the employees are having the specialization, that specializations comes to get enhanced, whereas in human resource management, here we try to match the human resource, or where we try to match the development of human resource with the need of the organization culture. So these are the difference between human resource management and human resource development. Hope the topic is clear to all.